Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics, and today we just received the all-new 2023 it's Bowman Platinum Baseball. So Platinum Baseball this year is going to feature 2 autographs per box. It is a hobby box called a monster box, actually. And this is going to be the first place to find some of the future stars of the game. You saw Michael Harris of the Braves on the cover. Don't forget to watch that game tonight at 8 o'clock because could be elimination time. We'll see. So this is going to give you all the serial numbered parallels that you can get. It shows you there. Excited to open this because actually we get a lot of cards and we like to send a lot of stuff to PSA, and this gives us quite a bit of cards. So there are 20 packs. When you come into the store, you can buy them by the pack or by the box. Dan, if you're listening, I know you're a pack guy, so come on in and get some Bowman Platinum packs. If you're online watching the video, go ahead and go to sportszonetoyscomics.com, and we'll have these boxes for sale on there today. And we will ship them today for you, so you can have them as soon as possible. All right, Freddie Freeman of the eliminated Dodgers. So we're going to do the top. So that says top prospect number 51. So we'll have a prospect pile and then a regular star pile, and we have renowned rookies and the regular rookies in the set. So got a couple things going on there. We got prospects, we got rookies, inserts, hopefully some numbered cards, and obviously there's 2 autographs you guys want to see. We do have several available to ship, and then we'll sell some singles in the store as well. If you see your favorite team's prospects, just stop in. Corbin Carroll, renowned rookies, that's a good one. Tyler Freeman. We're getting 4 cards a pack. Lots of rookies in this year's class, too. There's Justin Verlander, Chase Young prospect, Brenner Cox prospect. We got a Precious Elements insert and a James Outman rookie. It's all right. Oh, I think we have our this year's MVP in this pack. There's a Spencer Steer, another good rookie. Gotta like that. Getting some good rookies for sure. Elements, Alexi Ramirez, and there's a Ronald Acuna Jr. Possibly the NL MVP. Record-breaking season. That was pretty fun to watch. Obviously, I like the Braves, if you saw the hat in the video. Hunter Green. So it's like only one vet, pretty much, per. They're all prospects and rookies. So there's a nice Corbin Carroll. We're getting all the top rookies in this. So that's good to see. And these are very affordable. If you go on our website, I believe they're $109 a box. Jose Abreu, JD Martinez. There's Justin Boyd, Justin Campbell. Some of them have different colors, and it's just kind of seeing if they're numbered or not, but they are not. Crazy design this year. Looks good though. There's Trey Turner. Sam, if you're watching, set that aside in your pile. Christopher Polino. There's another prospect for the Dodgers. Pete Alonso. Wow. Like, where are the autos, right? I feel like we're 12 packs in. Nothing yet. Matt Wallner. Oops, put him in the wrong pile. That's our prospect pile. Lots of prospects. New money. Jay Wood. That's kind of a neat insert, actually. Yeah, subset. Card number 12 in the subset. There's Bobby Witt Jr. It's going to be a long video, but please give us a like. Share the video with your friends so they can see what they can get in their box of Bowman Platinum Baseball. Jordan Sprinkle, prospect. Oh, new money. Jackson Holiday. Now that, I'll send that to PSA. I want to 10 that thing. That's Jackson Holiday, definitely big time prospect. The Orioles also just eliminated. They got swept. I can't believe that. Swept to the Rangers. Rangers just getting hot at the right time. Francisco Lindor. We got another rookie. Justin Crawford, prospect for the Phillies. Kevin Parada, prospect for the Mets. We got a Brandon Crawford, card number 3 in the base set. The anticipation's building. Hang in there with us, guys. Looking for those autos. Lots of prospect cards. I'll put them in our box, put them away for a while. Jordan Diaz, Fernando Tatis Jr. Max Scherzer, Juan Simon. We had a big hit of him earlier in the year, I remember. Alec Burleson, rookie. And a Corey Seager. What a season for Seager. Not for Ohtani, he would be an MVP, right? Gotta say. Josh. Oh, we got a nice rookie there. Nick Prado. There's Christian's prospect. Cade Horton prospect. Renewed rookies. Michael Harris III. What a Game 2 save he had. An unbelievable catch against the wall. And the Josh Jung, that's a good one too. I think we got most of, we didn't get a Gunnar Henderson or Adley Rutschman rookie yet. These packs are really kind of tough to open. Make a lot of noise too. Sorry if it's interfering with the video. Logan Tanner. There's another renewed rookie. So there's not a lot of subset cards in this. It's mainly just, you're just getting straight up rookies and vets, prospects. Still no autograph. We are just about out of packs, so I guess we're going to save it for the last 2. It's funny how that happens sometime. There's Drew Gilbert, Precious Elements Brooks Lee, Francisco Alvarez. No numbered ones or anything yet. Two autos, like a $100 box. That's not bad. Licensed. All right, Matthew Liberatore, Dalton Rushing, Roby Snelling, Chase Lauder, Sagan. We got a couple rookies of him. I think we got one in our Bowman break as well. All right. This is it. Who did we get? Jacob deGrom. Jimmy Crooks the third. That's who we got. Nelson Rada. There is our first numbered card. Sal Stewart to 50. Zach Neto. Alrighty. Bo Naylor. Cam Kohler. Oh, there's one. Dan George. It's a Tanner Schobel. That is a non-numbered, and that's a prospect autograph. Spencer Torkelson base card. And this is it. So who is the other autograph going to be? Maybe a Baltimore Oriole. And Steve will be all over that. So that's a good rookie. Jordan Walker. I'd say we got pretty much all of them, but the O's. So Samuel Mose. Shea Langerhans rookie. Last pack. Isn't that crazy? The last two packs for the two autos. Jimmy Crooks the third from St. Louis Cardinals. Prospect autograph. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is your Bowman Platinum Baseball. That's your hobby box break. Monster box hobby break. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.